Hey, what's up, Eric? Quick demo video for you for your beautiful Flagship by Carl over at Valhalla. He did this in a Black Panther theme, which is absolutely amazing. So while I'm doing this here, I'll just give a close-up for some people who may not be familiar with his work. But the guy is just an etched artist, right? I'm probably downplaying that by saying that, but I mean, he's just phenomenal. And then your bump outs too. So I installed this guy with a CFX for you like you normally like. You've got a CCSabers in there. It is a 2-button setup. Your main activation switch is right here. And then I do the hidden brass tactile switch back here for your auxiliary. It's just barely sticking out. If you can see that, just enough to be able to tap it with your finger really easily. It's a 5mm high brass tactile actually. So we'll just unscrew the handle here. I know you wanted to keep this a fairly straightforward install, but I had to do a little something. I didn't want to just throw a chassis in this guy, so I at least put the Black Panther theme right here on the chassis. Made sure I finished it up so it's nice and smooth, and then I've got Bolts of Valhalla over here, and then Solo Sabers for me. I chose to leave that in English just to match the Black Panther theme on the other side. Here's your CFX. Easy access to your SD card and your micro USB. But you can pop this board up if you want to. It's not adhesed down to the chassis this time. It's just a press fit down. So there's always that option if you want to do that. And then you have a removable battery chassis right here. So this spring side will be the negative side of your battery with a 28mm speaker. Go throw a battery in it.
Careful you must be when sensing the future, Anakin. The fear of loss is a path to the dark side.
I know that you're going to do your own thing with your sound fonts, but I did put one on here so that we could demo this. Nice green shine through. LEDs lighting up like they should. And then your smooth swings coming through. Auxiliary back here. We'll hold it down for blade lockup. And we'll throw a blade in here real quick as well. Like all Flagships, as you know by now, this guy takes a 1-inch diameter neopixel. We'll lock your blade retention down. My battery's almost dead, but we'll try to get through it. Blaster deflex. Hold for blade lockup. Hold the auxiliary and twist your wrist, and then that'll bring you into color change. And then hold the auxiliary and twist your wrist, but then keep the button held down.
Blade profiles.
That will bring you into changing your effects. You can just twist the hilt until you find something that you like. We'll go through a few of these. So now you'll have that unstable with a blue. Flash on clash. And then we'll take this out. Blade goes in and out nice and smooth. And then, I know you're pretty used to this by now, but handle comes right out, and then from the positive side on this guy, you can just come in with your finger and pop your battery right out just like that. That is your Saber. Let me know if you got any questions. Hopefully this install came out the way you like, and then I will try to get this in the mail to you today or tomorrow morning at the very latest. Thanks.